Today I'm going to be drawing a wasp made out of strawberries. But right before I get into that, and while it's up in the background playing, I just thought it would be good to look back at what I've done so far. I started this channel with the intention of learning more art by forcing myself to practice. By having a channel to work for and post on, it forces me to practice a little bit more consistently as well as actually share my progress. Which is great because I noticed the past few weeks that I've been drawing more than usual. Maybe I'll find a good way to structure the practice so that I'm always getting better, but for now I'm not going to worry so much about min-maxing it and just kind of focus on having a good time. Anyway, let's get into this. So I found an idea or a small little theme on Pinterest that I kind of liked. If you look up animals made from food, you'll get a lot of pictures that are similar to the ones that I dragged into the canvas a little bit ago. And I don't know, something about that idea kind of scratches the same itch that the junkyard, I don't know what they're called, they're junkyard models. You take a bunch of different pieces that you might find in the junkyard or that would normally be thrown out, and you just combine them to form I don't know, it's either a robot, a person, it can be anything, some sort of animal or creature. And so this is very similar, but instead it's with food. So anyway, I went and brainstormed with my siblings to find a few different ideas that we had for animals that would fit the shape of a certain kind of food. Trying to make sure that the food was recognizable so you could easily see, oh yeah, that's a crab made from, I don't know, pancakes or something like that. And so the one I'm going to do today, I might do a few of these throughout the next couple weeks, is a wasp made from strawberries. So my thought for this wasp was to have the abdomen, thorax, and head all be small strawberries, and then maybe splitting the top one into a few pieces for his mandibles. I wanted to make the wings look like the leaves that are on strawberry plants. So I started off by just making the basic shapes of the strawberries and kind of laying out how I wanted it to look. I tried to also draw these guidelines along the shape of the strawberry so that I could practice the forms a little bit more. Just trying to get a little bit more practice out of it other than just, doing the outline and then trying to fill it in with some colors. And then I wasn't too sure what I was going to do for the legs, so I just decided to make them little vine pieces so that they kind of fit, but there wasn't anything really good to make them other than that I could think of. I'm not exactly the best at coloring, but I did my best. Just did some simple blocking out of the colors and then tried to add a little bit of shadow. But yeah, not going to spend too much time discussing the coloring part. I mean, it is what it is. And there we go. There's my finished piece. Like I mentioned earlier, I'll probably be doing a few more of these kind of animals in the next few weeks. If you made it this far in the video, then thanks for watching. But that's it from me. Bye-bye.